Okay, let's draw a cute giraffe together. Now let's draw with me. Okay kids, are you ready? First, let's start with the eyes. Wow, two cute round eyes. Now, let's make them nice and shiny with two empty circles. Good job! Now color around the circles with black. Can you draw with me at the same time? Now, let's draw the head. Now let's draw two little horns on top like this. Great! Now add the ears, one on this side. And one on that side. Great! Now let's make a round face each side and connect everything together. Wow! Look at that! Now draw two little lines for the nose. And a happy smile. Our giraffe is smiling already. Okay, now let's draw a long neck. Giraffes have long necks. Moving down. Let's draw the body and cute little legs. One leg. Two legs. Nice and easy. Now let's add a small tail. What's missing? Yes, the spots. Draw round spots all over the neck and body. Keep going. Perfect. And now, don't forget the eyelashes. So pretty. Last step. Let's color our giraffe. Yellow for the body. And brown or orange for the spots. Your giraffe looks amazing. Did you like this drawing? If you liked it, wait for the next drawings. Thanks for watching.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.